I have Urusei Yatsura, and this is Slum, and I think this is version 2. And I remember this anime. I was able to play a video game called Urusei Yatsura. It's in a Nintendo Family Computer. So that was a long time ago. Right, so here is the packaging. Front side, just a quick look. Right, so I have the normal color. That's letter A. I don't think I would get the other color, but I just love this one, the normal color, the color A. Right, let's open it. Oh, sorry, I forgot to show you the top and the bottom. Okay, basically the same. Okay, let's move it here. And here is the stand. Okay. And the support, the body, and Mom's head. Head. Wait, oh sorry, I think I did it wrong. It's like that. Okay. Okay, let's put right here. Like that. Right, so let's take a closer look at the assembled Posket Urusei from Urusei Yatsura. Nice. Their boots, so pretty. So there you have it, guys. I am done unboxing the Urusei Yatsura Lum. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until my next unboxing video. Bye bye.